Hello everyone, this is Bethany from Southern Couture, and guys, I am one of those like gift wrapping nerds or enthusiasts. I love gift wrapping. I love like spending a whole day. I'd love to do all the packages or all the gifts in one sitting, one day. I put on Hallmark Christmas movies, have something like cocoa or coffee to drink, and just have so much fun with it. It's just something I love to do every year, and I love finding different and fun ways to wrap up those boxes and make them like really cute but simple at the same time. And so I was excited today to share some really fun gift wrapping ideas, and you're going to be surprised just how easy and inexpensive they really are and how quick you can actually get them done. So let's dive in. I can't wait to show you all the fun things that I have here. As you'll see, I've got some fun little add-ons and items that are going to just really like make your package pop. It's so cute. So first of all, let's talk about the gift wrap, because there's something about having good gift wrap. We've all had that cheap, I'm saying it, cheap gift wrap, where you can almost see through it, where you go to like fold it over your package and make it tight, and then the corners end up popping through or it rips, and it's so aggravating, and then you end up wasting and using more paper than you should have. So I love this wrapping paper, and I want to say it is one of my favorites I've used, and that's because two things. It's super thick and durable, so I love that. It doesn't rip or tear when I've used it, and it's also reversible. So this one has a very much more lighter pattern on the back, but I'm going to show you some others that are really, really pretty on the other side as well. And so I want to say a big thank you to DaySpring for sending me this gift wrap, and I couldn't wait to do something fun with it and share it with y'all. They must have known I loved buffalo plaid, because my set had a lot of the buffalo plaid, and that's what a lot of my decorations are in as well. So it worked out great. So all these are going to match my tree skirt and all that kind of fun stuff too that I already have. But all of the gift wrap is from DaySpring, and so I'm going to leave a link down below if you want to check it out. They have other styles and designs. They've got other bundles. Mine came in a 4-pack, and so I'm showing you the 4 different designs today, and they're reversible, which is really, really cool. That's my first favorite thing about their gift wrap. So I also want to show, though, real quick, they did send some gift bags, and the reason I want to show these is because they come with tissue inside of them that is free. So if you're needing like a gift for a last minute thing or like a Christmas party and you totally forgot, it already has your tissue in there, so you can just pop that in and you're good to go. So you could check those out this week through like the 11th, I believe. They are having free shipping on their entire site. Just use the code FREESHIP, and that will get you, like I said, free shipping on their entire site, not just their Christmas or gift wrap goodies. Now, I want to jump in and show you the designs real quick, but first my ideas, but first I want to show you the paper if you're curious. This is this really fun trucks and the buffalo plaid trees. I love how it has the little words and phrases on it, but they're not too much and overpowering. And then like I showed you on the back, it has this very lighter, faint, almost like a dark green plaid pattern. And then the other one, this one has the plaid pattern on the opposite side as well, and then it has the deer with the buffalo plaid, and the simple little phrase again is really cute. And then you get and that if you want bundle, you can do I think individual rolls, but if you do the bundle, then you also get this buffalo plaid. And I should have cut an extra piece, but the back of this one is actually like a red, it's a red pattern with a like a little design on it, and at the end I may just unwrap this a little so you can see that. And then this one was really fun, that had these little like the birds and on the little greenery cuttings, and it says peace and joy, and with the little snowflakes. And so it also has that same red pattern this one does, that's reversible. So here we go, guys. The first thing I'll show you is this one right here with the trucks and the trees, because this is probably one of my favorites. One thing I start out doing a lot of times is just using a basic ribbon or twine. So for this one, I'm using a baker's twine, and Guys, I've had this whole roll of baker's twine for years, and look how much I still have left of it. I've used it for so many different craft projects, for wrapping, for gifts, and it has lasted me forever. It's so inexpensive, so I always suggest grabbing like this. You could do it in a green and white, black and white, whatever color you want to match with your paper, and use this for your ribbon because it goes a long way. And what I do is, if you have a small package, you wouldn't have to wrap it so many times. I did on this one, and I still think it looks great because it's not too thick, but I just wrap it multiple times around both ways and tie it in a simple little bow, and you're good to go. That's super inexpensive. Your other option on ribbon would be if you wanted to just use like the traditional paper type ribbon that you can buy. I also like the thoughts of using like some kind of twine or jute, something like that, and that would be fun to wrap them in. And then I just wrapped it around and then, of course, made them curly with my scissors. So then I get my ribbon. The next thing is going to be putting your tag. And so these tags that I have, and this one here, came from DaySpring as well. They have a new, I don't have it here, but I've shown it here before. It's their Holiday Helper box. It's a new thing they had this year, and it has 2 different styles of designs of cards in it. I think you get like 24 cards maybe. You get this really fun little notepad that I've been using for Christmas list and in my planner. Then you also get, I forget how many, but you get lots of tags with this little style, the buffalo plaid, and then this style here that has the little deer with the ornaments hanging off the antlers, which is really cute, and then says Christmas blessings. And so that is those are the 2 tags that come with it, and it coordinates with the cards also in that set. But they have other designs as well. But these are the little tags I had. What I love is that all this matches. So I'm not worried about trying to make it all look nice and coordinate with going to like 4 different places to do that. It all matches, makes it so simple. So you get your tag on there, right? Well, another thing I added on this one, and then you'll see it on this one too, is washi tape. So I had this buffalo plaid washi. I told you they knew me. And I already had it, and I used that to attach my tag, which I thought was so cute, to just a little extra something. It doesn't take a lot, but look, just a little pop, and that's so easy. If you just did the ribbon and put this little fun washi that matched, even that would be really fun. And then on this one, oh, I love this one. And look, I'm like almost out of it, and I'm like really sad. I need to find some more. But I love how it says do not open until December 25th, and like has the little postal things on it. And it's just so cute. So I loved adding that one right there above my ribbon. That was fun. So we have our wrapping paper, then you get your fun ribbon, then you've got your tag, and then you add, if you want, a little bit of fun embellishment with the washi. If you want to take it even a step further, which is what I have done with all of these really fun goodies that you see over here, is go through your stash of things that you may already have, or you could check out finding, these are just basically like little mini ornaments, and I'm obsessed. This is almost like the same as the bottle brush trees. I'm obsessed with this one with the little snow flocking on it, and it's so fun. So what I have done is I used the little wreath on this one because of the birds being on this one. I thought that would just kind of coordinate with that. And I tied my ribbon off on it. And then I just tied this in a little knot around the ribbon and let it hang on there. Okay, then you could adjust it if it hangs too far off. Or if you want, I think this is just the quickest, simplest way, because I'm trying to keep this simple for y'all, is just tighten a knot. If you really are picky about it in particular, you could get out a hot glue gun, and you could even like glue it right there in the middle or somehow, and that would be fun too. But I think it's just simpler just to keep, if it has the little string already for an ornament, just, you know, tie it around there. So you've got those. The other fun thing I had was these little bottle brush trees, the little mini ones. I love the bottle brush trees. I think so many people do right now. And so what I did on this one was you could leave it free hanging, and I just tied the end of the baker's twine like down below the tree in that wood piece there, and then it actually just hangs and stays. I was afraid it would want to go like upside down, but it actually stays pretty good. One other thing I did, and you may see the adhesive right there, is I just ran a little bit of adhesive, and then this actually, if you mash it down really good, I've been moving these all around, but if you mash it down really well, it stays pretty good even with just adhesive and not even a glue gun. And then I think that's cute how it's just standing right up there. These particularly worked great because of the paper already having the trees, so I kind of tried to match that. And then on this one, I thought it would be fun to add the little bell. And so these are just a little pack of bell ornaments. You probably have bells like this around in your old Christmas decorations anyways. And you could, if it didn't have the string, just put a string through it, you know, put some of the baker's twine. And then again, super simple, just tied it right around the middle of where my ribbon is, and I'm all set. And then this one's really, really cute, guys. This is this adorable little mini clothespin. So I found these little mini clothespins. It has this little Santa's workshop little sticker on the top. You could put any sticker on it you wanted. You don't even have to have these. You could just use, if you have, I have other little mini clothespins like this one. Some of them have glitter on them or whatever. You could just attach it on to your wrapping paper. Like I said, don't even worry about hot glue gun. You could take like some of this washi and just attach it right down there on the back, and then use that to clip your tag on. And so then I've just put my tag in there. Now, if you're worried like you're going to have to box up any gifts or bag them up to take them to someone else's house, and you're afraid that the tag may come off in the package, what you could do also is put like some adhesive on the back of it, and then stick that part right there inside the clothespin so that it hopefully, you know, wouldn't come off. That's an idea if you're having to transport any kind of gifts or mailing them or anything like that. So that is all it takes, guys. Just a few little simple extra add-ons. I'm telling you, like, you would see these packages and a lot of times you think, man, that person spent so much time and money and effort making them look really cute, when you don't have to. So like I said, we start with a good base of wrapping paper. Get you some fun baker's twine, just something different. And if you have regular paper ribbon, just use it too. Or if you have some other fun fabric type ribbons, you could use those. And then some fun washi. I know all of y'all probably have washi in your stashes. And then go through old Christmas decorations, or if you're at the store, pick up a few of these other little fun goodies that are inexpensive and just attach them right on. So put a good Christmas movie on, get your gift wrap goodies, get your hot cocoa, and then call me, and we will wrap all our gifts together. I wish we could. That would be a lot of fun. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little video showing you some fun gift wrapped ideas. Make sure you check out down below. I have links to all of the gift wrap I was talking about, the tags, the gift bags, that little holiday helper box that DaySpring has. And don't forget to use free ship through, I believe, the 11th, and you'll have free shipping off their entire site, so you could grab some of these if you wanted. Make sure you are subscribed so you know when the next video comes out, and click that little bell icon as well. All right, guys, I'll see y'all soon, and Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.